This video will show you how to make inventory receivable calculation for receivable turnover ratio and the average collection period using a data dictionary. By using a data dictionary, we can cast values into an array, which saves writing out the names of the data dictionary keys. We get the receivable turnover ratio, average collection period. Using the data dictionary for the items of net sales, accounts receivable gross for year 1 and for year 2, let's first pull the items from the data dictionary. Let's call this variable I for index. We get our name of the dictionary, dot values. Then we want to cast this into a list. Then we can see the output is an array of the data dictionary. Now we want to get the average gross account receivables. That is I index 1 plus I index 2 divided by 2. Our net sales is at the index of 0, which, remember, is the very first of the array. Then receivable turnover is the net sales divided by gross accounting received. Average collection period is 365 days divided by receivable turnover. Then we print it out. Receivable turnover ratio is our formatting, colon, dot to F, 2 floating point numbers after the decimal, dot format. We have all these other functions, but we want format. We pass in our receivable turnover. We print out the average collection period, colon dot to F, dot format, average collection period.